Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. During this session, I will show you the product launch from November 2024 in relation to bills section. So starting on the dashboard screen, we will go to business and bills to pay. The update that's been made, so you may already have learnt this rule because you've been part of Xero since November 24, but if you aren't new here and you've been using Xero for a while, this is for you. So you now have this view icon on the left-hand screen of your bills. And what this means is you don't have to control and click to open up a new tab to open that bill. Instead, what you can now do is click on this eye icon and view it. So if we just quickly click on that eye, it then opens up the bill that we're in there. And I can either copy this bill if I wanted, attach files, edit it, and so on. And if I'm just looking at it and now I'm happy to close it, I can click the close button here and it'll take me back to the original screen. The features they've also added includes this duplicate bills banner. And what that means is if Xero identifies any bills that may be duplicates, it will flag them to you no matter how they've been created and suggest for you to maybe edit or delete them. So you can look at the duplicate bills by either going over here and clicking review. Alternatively, you can click the three buttons icon and click review duplicate bills. And as you can see, when you click on that, you can see which bills it is suggesting are duplicates. So in this case, we have this small business services bill, and there is a date for March and a date for January, and the values are the same. So this is not a duplicate because it is a monthly bill, and therefore I'm happy with that, and I can click keep all. But if I wanted to look to review one of these, then I might want to go into that said bill and make a change, either edit or delete it. So I'm happy, I'll click keep all, and then there you have it. Xero is happy again. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.